Good day, my people. You all are welcome. For some time now, Yariba people in Lagos have been changing the names of streets in Lagos that have Igbo names. They are changing all those names to Yariba names. Subscriptions are being paid by the Igbos to secure those street names. But Yariba people have refused. All they want to hear is Yariba street names. They don't want to hear anything street names that are owned by the Igbos. Yariba people have been attacking the Igbos for so long, and all those attacks are being backed up by Lagos state government. Lagos state government knows everything that is happening. They are just keeping mute, but they know it. The picture you are seeing on your screen is the list of street names that are being changed from Igbo names to Yariba names. The street renaming here was done under Ajeromi Ifelodun local government. As you can see there, it writes old streets, new streets. From number 1 to 24 are all Igbo names, but they changed it to Yariba name from beginning to end. If it's by subscription, those Igbos that own those names, they are subscribing. Yet, these Yariba people are changing those names. Those Yariba names that these Yariba people are adding there to replace those Igbo names. So many of those people don't even know that they are using their names for street names. Waiting concern Daddy Shoki for there. Where did they carry the Daddy Shoki name they put for there? So many people, they don't even know whether they are adding their names there. But these Yariba people, out of hate that they have for the Igbo race, they are now changing all those names. They are ready to go extra mile to see that they fight the Igbos to the last. They say that Igbos want to take over Lagos. How? Person come your land, can't do business. You dey talk say Igbos want to take over Lagos. In that same Lagos state, under Etiosa local government, streets with Igbo names are being changed to Yariba names. I'm saying this thing that the major reason why Igbos are in Lagos is because we don't have functional seaport in the southeast. Because if to say the seaport where the River State and Cross River State, they work, they function well, Igbos where the Lagos, many of them go come back to this side. They are building more seaports in Lagos, whereas the ones in our own region is not working. That is the major reason why Igbos are in Lagos. Come out that seaport from Lagos. Lagos is nothing. So say Igbos they on our region, they do well, they pain una. All these attacks that Lagos people are doing is sponsored by their government. That is why Sanwo-Olu is not saying anything. Because Sanwo-Olu is a tribal bigot. That guy in bigotry too much. All the attacks on Igbos in Lagos, he knows about it. The demolition of Igbo houses and businesses in Lagos, Sanwo-Olu know wetin dey happen. Because you know go tell me say since they change the name of this street, he not they see am, he not they hear am. If to say Sanwo-Olu no be bad person, if I come out make speech, stop all those people from those rubbish wey they do, but you know go down because all of them get the same mindset. APC government for this Yariba side, they're too bad. This thing that they happen for some time now, for weeks now. This thing that they happen. He go talk say no see am. Look at this picture here. These are streets that are named after Yariba people. This street here is CP Adeoye Close in Oka South local government. Look at another street here. This one is Wole Soyinka Close in that same Oka. How many times have you seen Igbos complaining? Make we change the name of these streets. Make we put Igbo name inside. Yariba people are not even changing names of streets that are owned by Hausa Fulani people. No, now only Igbos own that they change. This is why I said that these Yariba people, their hatred for Igbos too much. Yariba people, they're not good. Some people will say, it's only few Yariba people. As he be say, few Yariba people, why Ona, where the majority not the speak against that rubbish Ona people they do. When you keep mute when your people are evil, it shows that all of you are the same. Because silence is consent. Yariba street where they Igbo land, we don't dey complain. Our own way they una land, una dey complain. Charlie Boy Bus Park was renamed to Bado. They carry Olamide name put for that place. Olamide where they carry name put for themselves, you not even know. You come out Charlie Boy name because na Igbo person. You carry Olamide name put for them. And so many Yoruba people were jubilating. Mumu people. Igbos are your problem. Whereas Fulani is trying to take over your land. Ilorin is gone. The problem of Yoruba people is that these people are designed to go into extinction, but they don't know how. It's because Yoruba people keep fighting shadows instead of fighting their major problem. Yoruba people were busy fighting each other. Afonja, you didn't they fight in fellow Yoruba people. Fulani people take over Ilorin. They don't know their problem. For this country where we dey now, ask Yoruba man, what is your problem? You know, go tell you say the country is not good, the country is not favorable, there is hunger. He go just tell you say Igbos are their problem. Yoruba people make una continue, because we have seen the future that when you keep hating the Igbos, the enemy will keep striking you. You will lose more territories the way you lost Ilorin. Don't worry, Fulani is coming. Una mind go dey. All these hate on the mumu, so not be anything for where we dey. We don't know say you people will lose more territories. Sharia law have been established in Yoruba land. That one not been a problem. Ritual killings everywhere in Yoruba land. Where we say na Yoruba people they kill each other. That one not been a problem. Na Igbo streets be a problem. In 2019, the wife of Tinubu said that they will start destroying Igbo shops and businesses there. She said it in 2019. Go and make research. The video is still on the internet. If Tinubu go fit talk that kind of thing, you feel say she don't know the reason why they break all those Igbo mansions for Lagos. They burn Igbo shops and markets. They know, because if she go fit talk that kind of thing, it shows say all of them know wetin dey happen. Sanwo-Olu keep quiet, like say no they see wetin dey happen. This is why Igbos should unite. In unity, we tell federal government say we need seaports for Igbo land. They're not going to stop them. Because we Igbos, in unity, we will know how to command this government to do our bidding. Now, because of this unity where they so now make everybody they do anyhow. You go tell Igbo say, make we do like this. They go say no. Now small picking like you go tell us what we go do. Now, see how Yoruba people they treat us for Lagos. What happened during the past, during the Biafra war, where they say our people suffer so much, we lost so many properties. Today, you people are everywhere in Lagos building and investing. How many Yoruba people they invest for our own region? How many Yoruba people get the investment for Igbo land? How many Yoruba people they Igbo land? The number of Yoruba people in Igbo land, both in Southeast, South Igbos and Middle Belt Igbos, if they count the number of Yoruba people where they here, the number of Igbos in Lagos pass am. So many Igbos forget so much. In the Igbo, waiting be our problem. Why do you say so many of us today forget? How many Northerners are investing in Igbo land? How many Yoruba people are building and investing in Igbo land? Even if you want to invest for outside, you are expected to go outside Nigeria. Go outside Nigeria, go invest. No go for people you know say these people hate you. You know say they don't like you. You go there, they invest. Now look at the hate. Then they destroy Igbo mansions for Lagos. Then they burn Igbo shops, burn Igbo markets. Yet, now that place like good for honor to go to invest. Ndi Igbo, let's unite and build our home. This Wole Soyinka close in Oka. Wetin Wole Soyinka don't do for we Igbo people where they even they put in name for that place. The only thing Wole Soyinka gave to Nigeria is creating cultism. Cultism where they kill boys, they kill youths everywhere. Yoruba people not they complain say cultism where their brother Wole Soyinka created the kill them. No, their problem are Igbo people. Say Igbo people they Lagos. Shame on you people. Yoruba people no get sense. Shame on una. Keep hating the Igbos while the enemy keeps striking. Ndi Igbo, come back. Come back home. Let's build Igbo nation. Let's build Igbo land. Yoruba people claim to hate the Igbos, yet they need the Igbos more than they need Nigeria. Yoruba people hate the Igbos, fine, we know, but they want Igbos to remain in that Lagos. How many Yoruba people they use that their seaport where they there? How many Yoruba people are using that their seaport? Importation in Nigeria is done by Igbo people. 70% of imports coming to Nigeria are owned by the Igbos. So when you are talking about the revenue that Lagos is making, Igbos are contributing massively there. today, now the same Igbos, now this evil Yoruba people hate. Igbos are saying that they want to leave the country. We want to leave the country. You Yoruba people, you people are still fighting against Igbo people for saying that they want to leave the country. If you really hate the Igbos, make una start to the protest, say Igbos should leave Nigeria. Support Igbos to leave this country. Since we are not like Igbo people. The Igbos talked about restructuring, regional government. Senator Opeyemi Bamidele, a Yariba man, said that they should not do that regional government and restructuring because it will favor the Igbos and Igbos will see it as an opportunity to leave the country. This is wickedness. You hate Igbo people, allow them leave the country. You Yoruba people, they fight them. And that is because Yoruba people know that they cannot do without the Igbos. If Igbos leave this country, Lagos seaport will dry. Because Igbos will stop using that Lagos seaport. If you really hate the Igbos, make una write bill, propose a bill, give it to the Senate, tell Senate we want Igbos to leave this country. The Igbo race will support that bill. Nigeria is not working. The hate on the Igbos is too much. If Fulani people write bill and say they want to leave Nigeria, the Igbos will support that bill for them to leave because Fulani is a problem of Nigeria. You will be surprised to know that Yoruba people will not support that bill for Fulani to leave the country because Yoruba people don't know what they want. They will tell you that this thing is evil. Let's cast that evil away. Yoruba people say no, they still want that evil. You say Igbos are devils. You say Igbos are poisonous. Allow Igbos to leave the country. Una still not want make Igbos leave. Because when I know say if Igbos leave this country, you Yoruba people una don't sink be that because una not get anything. That is witchcraft. You people are evil. So Yoruba people will be alive back in there without the Igbo people, without the Igbo people. Allow the Igbos to leave the country now. Support Igbos to exit the country. Una not want. If to say una get sense, una go even the tell federal government make una leave land, they can make una leave and make una give them the country, make it they go. Una not want. Somebody wants freedom, make it come out for the country. You people are the major people fighting it. You are fighting Igbos not to leave the country, yet you hate the Igbos. Well, you not go better for now. Una not good. You people are so evil. As Yoruba people then say they won't leave the country, say they won't go. We Igbos, we not even get any business there. If you say you want to leave the country, go. But Igbos don't say they won't leave the country. Una not agree. Una they fight them. You not like Igbo people. Allow them go. You not agree. The evil that men do will haunt them. As you Yoruba people, as una evil reach like this now, that evil will keep haunting you people. Ndi Igbo unite. We need unity. Let's build Igbo land. In unity, Igbo race will be great again. Igbo race is already great, but we will become greater when we unite. Ishiebwale.